Ever needed a variable to hold different types? That's where union types shine. A union type in TypeScript allows a value to be one of several types. You create them using the pipe operator. For example, a variable declared as string or number can hold either type. This gives you flexibility while maintaining type safety. Union types are incredibly practical. They're perfect for function parameters that accept multiple types, like a function that takes a string or a number. They're also essential for handling null or undefined values explicitly. You can define a type that's either your data type or null, making your code more robust. TypeScript is smart about unions. It narrows the type through type guards or checks. When you use a type of check or other condition, TypeScript knows which specific type you're working with in that block. This lets you safely access type-specific properties and methods without errors. Here's the catch. Without narrowing, you can only access members common to all types in the union. TypeScript won't let you use a string method on a union that includes numbers until you've narrowed it down. Union types let you build flexible, type-safe TypeScript code, master them to write better interfaces, practice more TypeScript questions to level up your interview game. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.